Hey, what's up guys? It is a beautiful day today and I have a special treat for y'all. Not BMW related. I'm in my car. I'm off because we just had the baby. I just had a baby boy 2 days ago. Well, a couple days ago, Saturday. Today's Tuesday. And I have an unboxing. I'm off, so I figured I'm gonna spend a lot of home time this summer. So I wanted to order some summer stuff. So I needed sneakers. I did a previous video on my Vapormax Nikes, and I just wanted something for the summer. So I went ahead and bought these, probably the last pair online in my size I could find. I wanted a color, but let's just get right into it. You guys don't like long videos, and I promised you that. So this is from Hibbett Sports. I'm sorry, introduction. And actually, let me put my car in park before I drive off a cliff. I'm literally on the side of a cliff here. I could drive off the car. That's what happens when you have a baby in the house. You kind of lose all common sense for a little bit until everything, because your life is in turmoil the first couple of days with the baby coming home. So this is from Hibbett Sports. I've never ordered from them, but when I googled the sneakers that I wanted, these were the only place that had them in my size and were the last pair. And I don't know what is it with Nike sneakers or sneakers in general. They just seem to sell out. Like I remember when I was in high school and when I was a kid, you would see the same pair of sneakers on the shelf for like a year. You know, and they would always have stuff in stock. Like if you go to Dr. J, I grew up in New York. Brooklyn, New York is where I grew up. Shout out to Brooklyn. So you go to Dr. J's downtown Brooklyn, or Foot Locker, or I think it was Dr. J's and Foot Locker at the time, and it'll be the same pair of sneakers on the shelf. The Air Max 95s, 97s. They'll be on the shelf for like a decade almost. And of course, obviously they have different colors or whatnot, but now like sneakers come out and they come out Monday and like Tuesday, you just can't find them anywhere, and there's some idiot online selling them for like $1,000. So anyway, I bought this from Hibbett Sports. I'm not even sure what they are. I don't want to buy sneakers on eBay anymore. I don't know. I haven't been burned yet, but someone was telling me something shady about eBay the other day, and how people how the fakes on Nikes are getting so legit, like you can't even tell them apart. So the mystery Vapormax, well, obviously I'm talking about Vapormax, so did I cut my leather? No, I didn't. So there's no surprise. I kind of ruined it by talking about Vapormax and Nike. So you know what's in the box. I opened it the wrong side. Actually, let's open it the other way so you guys can see. You know what? I don't have time. I have stuff to do today. Baby's in the house, so we got stuff to do. So these are the Flyknit Pure Platinum University Red. They're also known as the OG Platinums. $190. Unfortunately, yes, guys, I had to pay that because and this is my order, packing slip, and thank you for D. Thank you, cared for by D. Same name as my wife. I'm not even sure where Hibbett Sports is located. It's like one of those probably Midwestern companies in the Midwest, like Chicago or Illinois or something. So let's get right into it. Let's see what's in the box. I wanted the OGs because I wear a lot of navy blue and khaki shorts in the summertime, and I wanted something to go with navy blue t-shirts, or blue t-shirts, red t-shirts. I wear dark reds, dark navy blues. And I wear a lot of light colored shorts. I don't know why. Sometimes I wear basketball shorts or soccer shorts, but not so often. And as you guys know, I support Tottenham. I'm actually wearing a jersey today. So it's also going to go with my Tottenham that I'm wearing this summer, my Tottenham jerseys. So that's how it looks, guys. I did see fake ones on these online where the stitching goes right through the rubber right there. It was stitched on there. The rubber was stitched on there. So look at that, guys. When you are buying these online, make sure this is not stitched through, because I realize a lot of them come with that stitched through. And I have, between me and my wife, we have about 6 pairs of these now, and none of them have that rubber bit stitched through. It's all applied. It's not stitched on. And I knew Hibbett Sports, whoever that is, they're a legit company, full return policy. I checked their business reviews online, and they seem legit. They had a Yelp review as well, so they seem legit. I did pay full retail for these like an idiot. I know, like a couple years ago, if you told me I'd be buying sneakers for $190, I'll tell you like you're silly. Also, if you told me Donald Trump would be president, and pretty much I'm hearing he's up for a Nobel Peace Prize for the Korean peace talks. You tell me Donald Trump was going to be president, and eligible for a Nobel Peace Prize, and at the same token, Bill Cosby will be up for indicted for rape and whatever assault, I would tell you you're lying. And you know, but that's the world we live in, guys. So I'm paying $190 for sneakers, and Donald Trump is president. So, but yeah, like 2 years ago, I would not have paid money for these, but I know how comfortable they are. I swear by these, the Vapormax. I don't even like Nike as a brand. I know Tottenham, my team, they have Nike as a sponsor now, and you know, I'd rather wear something like I also have a pair of Asics I wear in the summertime, and right now I'm actually wearing Merrells. I'll show you guys. I don't even wear Nikes like full time. I have Merrells. I wear Merrells. I paid about $19 for these at Burlington Coat Factory near me, and I'm happy with these. I wear these all year round, but if I'm out, I like to kind of look good with shorts, so I kind of wear these. So like, I pay $19 for sneakers, but I also pay $190. That's how crazy and schizophrenic my life is. But yeah, so I got these. I had a bit of tax return money, you could say, so I figured, you know, what the hell, you know, go splurge. Also got my wife something, and the newborn baby something, and my daughter something. So yeah, so that's it, guys. This is an unboxing. I highly swear by these sneakers. I know they're $190, but I only bought these because I've had Vapormaxes for a year now, and the ones I bought last year, they were so good. I figured in a time they lasted, and they still brand new. I'm not gonna wear white sneakers around a new baby, because with Amelia, my firstborn, I got pooped on. I was off the same summer with her, and I got pooped on. I got dirty a lot, so I kind of want to wear darker sneakers. I don't see myself wearing bright white Vapormax Nikes, so I figured I'd get a darker color. But I swear by these. Those I had last year, I wore them for a year, and they lasted as longer than I thought they would. And I realized, you know what, had I not bought these, I would have spent the same amount of money buying like Asics or Brooks or other running shoes or different types of shoes. They're also very comfortable for running in, very comfortable for running in. So, and the reason I got this color, because the darker air bubble, I expect this to last longer, because the only wear and tear on check my video, my Vapormax after a year review, the only wear and tear on those was the air bubble gets discolored. From that clear white bubble, it turned brown yellow, and these things, they don't even they don't wear away, but they do turn brown and like sort of mud colored from walking on them. But that's it, guys. These are my Vapormax for my summer of 2018. These are actually last year. They came out like around Thanksgiving, and they're sold out everywhere. There's new edition Vapormaxes too. I saw those. Not really into those, but I like the original simplicity of the original ones, so I decided to get these again. All right, guys, I know that's it. Bye. More BMW videos coming. Today's warm, finally getting warm weather in New York, and I'm gonna get under the hood of the car and do some stuff. I have to do my spark plugs. I have to do the backup camera for this car, as well as something else, the oil filter housing gasket I haven't done yet. I think I'm gonna do that myself, actually. And that's it, guys. Look out for more stuff, and also I'm gonna finish this shifter thing. I got the saw, so I'm slowly cutting away at that, so that's gonna go right in before the summer. So that's it, guys. I have a lot of time off this summer with the baby, so all right, guys. Vapormax, highly recommend them. Even at $190, I'm sure you can get these for cheaper if you get different colors. Some colors are super cheap. Some colors are like this. Rare limited edition colors are gonna cost you a bit of a penny. But do not pay more than retail for these. I've seen people selling these on eBay for $500, $600, $1,000. Like Yeezys and Boost, I would never spend that kind of money. Like, I spend retail $190, because I know Nike's not it does not cost Nike $190 to make these in China or wherever they come from. So I know I'm throwing money out the window, but I like these. They're comfortable, but I would not pay more than retail for these things, because I know what they're worth. So all right, guys, peace out, bye.